We're back with a very short video, and also the start of a new series I'm making called Random Math. It's not really the start. On my original channel, Oxi-Math, I did start it there, but I guess I'm just gonna erase all that and just start it all here. Get a new fresh start. Today we're gonna be focusing on floors and ceilings. Now, floors and ceilings only really have an effect on decimal numbers, and for integers it doesn't really do much. The first one we're going to be dealing with is this one right here. And this is the floor of x. It's kind of like brackets, except with the top little horizontal bars gone. And floors will always round down. After all this, you should have been able to recognize that this is probably the ceiling of x. And this always rounds up. Let's say we're trying to find the floor of 7.15. We're going to round down, so this is going to be 7. But the reason why I capitalize always is because I want to emphasize that it always rounds down, no matter the value of the decimal. So how about the floor of 10.9? Well, with regular rounding, you'd expect this to round to 11, but because we're dealing with a floor, we always round down. So this will be 10. Now let's look at ceilings. So let's find the ceiling of 7.5. Now we always round up, no matter what the decimal value is. You'd be expected to round down here to 7, but because we always round up, this will be 8. So just like the next integer from 7. The ceiling of 10.9 is not going to be 10 anymore. It's going to be 11. The ceiling of root 3 is going to equal, let's see here, 1.73, 2. So I hope you can kind of understand this pattern that we're looking at here. And allow me to show you something pretty interesting. This is the floor function as an actual function. So let's take a look at this. When the number, in this case the number is x, is in between 0, greater than or equal to 0, but less than 1, it's just going to be 0. When x is greater than or equal to 1, but less than 2, the floor of x will be 1. And I'm pretty sure you can determine the intervals of x for all of these little steps here. Well, that's it for floors and ceilings. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. And I still don't know what my next random math video is going to be, but I'll figure something out. Goodbye.